Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you 6 tips on how to optimize your Facebook ads in 2022. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alexander and I'm the founder of Titan Agency. We specialize in helping e-commerce brands into scaling their businesses with email marketing and ads on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest and Google. Paid advertising has really changed over the past couple of years, especially after the iOS update, so it's really key to know how to optimize your campaigns and how to get the best out of them. The first tip I got for you, and it's probably one of the most obvious ones, is to choose the right campaign objective. If you want to get more conversions and sales on your website, you must choose conversions. I've seen a lot of people optimize for traffic because they think the more people they visit their website, the more people will buy, but that's simply not the case. When you choose traffic objective in Facebook Ads Manager, Facebook will deliver the ads to those people who are more likely to click and visit your website, not necessarily to people who are gonna buy from you. Really important, choose the right objective. Most of you, if you have e-commerce stores, are gonna choose conversion because you're gonna want to make sales through your website. The second tip I got for you is to choose ABO when you're testing and CBO when you're scaling. Choosing ABO when testing is going to allow you to distribute the budget evenly among different audiences to see which one is actually working. Once you have a couple of audiences that are doing consistent results, you can duplicate them into a CBO campaign and you can start scaling. Scaling with a CBO campaign, in my personal experience, works better because you're going to allow Facebook to distribute the budget to those audiences that are going to perform better and find those people that are actually going to convert. Tip number 3, use broad audiences. Choosing broad audiences is very important because they're going to have longevity and it will allow you to scale if they're working. With the small audiences, post iOS 14 simply doesn't work anymore, and choosing the broad audiences will definitely help you because there's a bigger pool of people that Facebook can target, and if they work, you can easily scale them up. Broad audiences will usually have lower CPMs as well, so this is going to allow you to reach more people for less money, which is key if you want to scale. When it comes to lookalike audiences, I would also recommend you to test not only 1% but also test 2, 3, 4%, and because again, bigger audiences will have longevity again and it's going to be easier for you to scale. I know 1% is very targeted, but going up to let's say 4% will give Facebook a big pool of people that you can target and get enough data. Also, when it comes to your targeting, don't retarget only people who've engaged with your business in the last 30 days, test it all the way up to 90 days. You can even test different offers. So for example, between 0 and 30 days, you can test 10% offer, 10% off their order, and then between 30 and 90 days, you can do 15%. Because those people that didn't convert in the first 30 days, they might need a little bit more convincing and a bigger discount code. Tip number 4, focus on creatives. Since now we have less data to work with, I think it's very important to focus on creatives because this is something we and our clients have control of, and ensuring you and your clients have a consistent flow of new creatives, new angles of advertising, it's key. Consistently testing different creatives, different angles, different ads copy is going to allow you to scale and to find what is working for the clients, and then it's going to be very easy for you to scale. Because with consistent testing of audiences and creatives, once you find those that are winners, you can combine them and you can scale very easily. Tip number 5, eliminate emotions. It's key. It's key to eliminate your emotions because sometimes it's going to happen. You're going to spend a lot of time into creating an ad. You're going to spend a lot of time into creating the perfect campaign, but then it's going to flop and it's not going to work out. Just replace it. Follow the data trends, make decisions based on the data you get, not based on the emotions, because the data doesn't lie. If the data shows you that something is not working, don't stick a lot with it, just replace it. Because sticking with something that doesn't work, you're just wasting yours or your client's money. You need to leave the market to decide if something is good or it's not. And tip number 6, get inspired from other brands in the space. You can check what other brands are doing by visiting their page transparency and their ad library on Facebook. You can see what creatives they're running, you can see what carousels, what ad copy they're using, and you can get an idea of what is working. It is very good to scout the biggest brands in your space because they have spent millions and millions of dollars or pounds into testing creatives, testing ad copy. So most likely what they're running should be working. So see what ad copy they're running, see what images and videos they're using, and make something on your own. You can also visit unicornads.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, and you can see the biggest e-commerce brands, what they're doing. But that's basically it, guys. Thank you very much for your time. If you're a business owner and you want to scale your business, I'm going to leave my calendar link in the description of the video. book a call with me and I'll be more than happy to see if we can help you. As I mentioned earlier, we do email marketing, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, and Google ads, so we can really scale your business and take it to the next level. Or if you're an agency owner and you need help with getting more clients or getting your clients better results, you can also schedule a call with me and I'll be more than happy to help you. But that's basically it, guys. Thank you very much for your time and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.